So now let's see how we can actually go ahead and utilize the photo editor in ILoveIMG to go ahead and work around with the corner settings for the images that you load up with it. So for that, in ILoveIMG.com, I can go to photo editor and then click on select image and select out the image that I want to control the corner of. So let's just go ahead and open this up. And over here, you can see that this is like a rectangular image that I have right here. And now if I were to click on corner right here, now you can see like there's a bit of a radius right here on the edges right here. You can go ahead and change the size of it as you want right here and click on apply. And you can see that this is what you have. The edges, as you can see right here, are now changed. You can actually go around over here onto corner again, and then let's say, for example, change around the radius right here. But as you do that, nothing happens because once you actually go ahead and work around with the corner, you cannot revert back. But you can actually go around over here and undo a few times to get back the original as well. But let me just go ahead and work around with the radius, and you can see the little radius right here. Press apply, and this is what you have. And then if you were to go to corner and increase out the radius right here, even more, press apply, and it's cropped out even further, as you can see right here. So now you can simply go ahead and then select out the format and then click on save right here. And then once you go ahead and do that, what happens is that this is simply downloaded out right here, just like this. So that is basically how you can go ahead and work around with the corner settings for photos inside a photo editor. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.